January 2013, Core 4, Question 5. I liked the question, but some of the students don't like integrating, so they found it tough. But 2 marks for an old Core 3 integral. You've got to do this by parts. You let u equal the bit in the bracket, and so you differentiate that. Du by dx is 2x, and you rearrange it to get dx all on its own. So you get du over 2x. Now let's rewrite this integral again. We've got the integral of x times by this thing here, which we've decided to call u, so u to the power of a half, times by dx, and dx we've worked out here is du over 2x. The x's cancel, as we hoped they would, and the u now, the power goes up by 1 to 3 over 2, divide by the new power, so we've got 2/3, we've got half of it, so we've got 1/3. And so we've got 1/3 of x squared plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2, and let's put a plus c in there. There's 2 marks there. Clearly they're helping us out there because we know we're going to use it in a minute. The differential equation. You do the differential equations by separating the variables. The dx is going to come up here, and the y's are going to go up there. So we've got e to the 2y dy equals x, the square root of x squared plus 3 dx. Stick an integral sign in front of both of them, and you've got your first mark. Now we're going to integrate both of these. E's are easy, they stay the same, but we've got to divide by that number there. So we've got a half e to the 2y, and this is what we did earlier. We've got 1/3 x squared plus 3 to the 3 over 2 plus c. That's the general solution, but we've got our numbers here, so we can find the particular solution that y equals 0 and x equals 1. Let's put those in. E to the 0 is 1, so you've just got a half here. Here, stick a 1 in. That's 1 squared is 1, plus the 3 makes 4. Or I'll just write 4 to the power of 3 over 2, and 1/3 of it, plus c. What's this? This is the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 cubed is 8, so I've got 8/3 here. C is 8, is a half, take away 8/3. I've got 13/3 there. Do it in the calculator, don't just trust my mental arithmetic. So our final answer here for this bit is a half e to the y equals 1/3 x squared plus 3 to the 3 over 2 plus c, so minus 13 over 3. All we've got to do to get the final marks is make sure that it's y equals. Just get the y all on its own. So we need to get rid of that e, we need to get rid of that half, and I've missed out 2 here, haven't I, as well? There's a 2 in there. It was, let's move down a bit and see if I can get some more space. So all I'm doing is, first of all, getting rid of the half here by timesing by 2. Timesing by 2 gives me 2/3. Timesing by 2 here, well, you could put, that shouldn't be over 3 there, should it? That should be over 6, sorry. That should be over 6. And this means now when I times it by 2, I get 13 over 3. Sorry if that confused you. Now, how do I get rid of the e? I ln it. I've got the ln, or the natural log, of x squared plus 3 all to the power of 3 over 2 minus 13/3. Big close bracket. Finally, I need to get rid of the 2. I halve it. Half the ln of that whole thing there, and you're finished. What did Mr. Examiner say? Miss Examiner said it wasn't done well. Fewer than 10% gained full marks, although half did get 4 or more. That's the wrong answer, wrong one, isn't it? There's the mark scheme. There's the examiner's report. Sorry for the slip.